Hey everyone, this is Dhruvin, and in this session we are going to talk about which licensing is required when we embed the Power BI report to Power Apps. So now let's get started. Most of you have a question like, I have developed a Power BI report and I embed the report into Power Apps, but the user is not able to see the report. Then what's the reason? In most of the cases, the reason is due to licensing. Now, let me explain you the step-by-step procedure of licensing detail that we need in order to embed Power BI report to Power Apps. Let's say for an example, in my earlier sessions we have discussed like we have embedded our Power BI report inside the Power Apps like this. Now let's say my report has been published in one of the workspace like Teams attendance report, right? And I have embedded this report with the help of embed website or portal option. Now what happen here is whenever I share the report, some of the users whom with the Power Apps has been shared, they are not able to see the report. What's the reason behind that? Let me explain you that thing in detail. Let's say for an example, you have published this report over this workspace, and at this moment two users have permission to view this report on this workspace, and this Power Apps has been shared with 15 users. Then how can they able to view the report? Here the funda is very simple. You need a pro license in order to share the report with the other users. Let's say here the Power Apps has been shared with 15 users. So those 15 users have pro license on Power BI workspace as well. And those users has been a part of this workspace. Otherwise they will not be able to view this report inside the Power Apps. This is a very straightforward funda, right? But there is a question like licensing model approach. Now there are two different approaches if you are a small organization or you are a large organization. Now first thing, if you have a small organization, basically you need Power BI Pro license for each individual users whom you want to share with Power Apps. So let's say your Power BI report is published in Workspace and you want to share that report with 15 users in Power Apps, then those 15 users should be have an access on Workspace as well as they need a Pro license as well. Only at that time they will be able to view the report inside the Power Apps. Otherwise they will not able to see the report. Right now, second thing, if you are a large organization, then what would be the approach? If you are a large organization like 1,000 users, then you almost have a premium capacity license on your reports. So at that time what would be the best suitable thing? At that time what you need to do here is you need to publish your report to premium capacity workspace over here. So premium capacity workspace have a diamond symbol over here after the workspace. So basically first step is you need to publish your report to premium capacity workspace. To publish the report you need a pro license. So for premium large organization you need at least one pro license as well as premium capacity workspace. Now in that premium capacity workspace you need to add the free Power BI users over here. Now let's say for an example, this is my workspace, that is Teams attendance Power BI report workspace. Now from here you need to add the free users, like whoever the assigned with the free Power BI license, just add those users inside this workspace and then simply just add that URL to Power Apps. So at that time free Power BI users are also able to see the report, they are able to view the report, right? So for premium workspaces that is the approach. Now let me explain you some detailed thing over there. So if you are a large organization you need two different things. One you need is Power BI premium license and one is Power BI Pro license, right? And of course office license, regular office license for Power Apps you already have because you already shared the Power Apps with the other users, right? Now in premium we have two types of SQS, EM and PSQS. If you purchase in between these two SQS, only at that time you can be able to embed this particular Power BI report to Power Apps, right? Now Premium is a tenant based license. It's not a per user license. It has a flexibility, like you can share your Power BI workspace report with the free users as well, and free user can able to view those reports without needing any additional licensing, right? But yes, for publishing you need at least one pro account over there, right? The users who has a pro license with the premium capacity can share the report. As I told you, this is similar like this one. Like, to publish the report, who can publish the report in Power BI workspace? The user who has a pro license with the premium capacity can do that. And at last, free users can view the shared report. Yes, and of course, even if you have a premium capacity, you need basic office license to share the report in Power Apps, because it's a Power Apps licensing model. So we discussed about two different approach, and if you wanted to know more about the premium capacity and what is the comparison, what is the pricing, you can go with these two links are available in the description box. So in order to summarize, we have two different approaches over here. If you are a small organization, go with the pro license for each individual users, and if you are a large organization, purchase any premium capacity license and at least one pro license in order to view the Power BI report inside the Power Apps. So this is the overall idea about basic licensing model to share the Power BI reports inside the Power Apps. Hope you are clear on that. If you have any question, you can add your question in the comment section. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay connected with me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and WhatsApp. And if you wish to receive the daily notification from my channel, just click on this link. It will be redirecting you to this form. Fill the form and you will be receiving daily notification on your WhatsApp number. Stay connected with me. Have a great day. Goodbye.